Hey, morning. First day of June 2nd. All right. Going to the second half of the year. All right. We're coming in on the first day of June here with the Futures Inside Day. Start with. There you go. There's your SPY. All right. Got back up to 589.37 on your overnight there. Coming back inside a little bit. Going to be inside that big day. Okay, trapped inside there, 591 if you want to try to get out of there. Triple Qs. 520.67, trading at 517.40. That is going to be handily inside day. All right, so stuck inside there as well. And then we'll pull up the diamonds as well. DIA. 422.50, trying to come back up here a little bit, but you are going to be stuck inside right there as well. All right, looking at the sectors this morning, I got a couple things that are moving, and then I got a lot of stuff that's just stuck in the middle with you. All right, so what's hot this morning? XLE. All right, energy all of a sudden starting to pop its head up here. All right, 2-1 on the week. We're looking for the 2-1-2 reversal on the week on XLE. It's going to have to get through 83.39. This thing's been pushing, okay? 82.78 right now. So right in this range, right in here, all right? You got that shooter down on the month. Now we wait to see if we can start to fill that back up again a little bit. We'll watch as it goes. All right, so XLE higher this morning, okay, and OIH, which is in your drillers and that business, doesn't really give you much on the overnight here. 219.49 closed at 216.64. But it's marking me here at 219.32. That's slightly taking day up on your OIH. So we'll watch those sectors. I'll give you a couple of quick ones here. These are your drillers. This is Schlumberger. All right, Schlumberger's now shooter down on the month. Okay, as you see, that's bad news, man. Bad news. 2-2 down on the week, and here they come. All right, so back in here to 33.75. See if these guys want to turn around. All you're doing here, you're getting a new month coming back in here. So, right, so today you're going to see all these new months popping in. Right, we got over 140 stocks that are inside month. Okay, I've got lists of everything. I will be watching every single sector, and I will be telling you which ones are coming out, which ones are looking good. Maybe they're going to start to move up, and then maybe they're going to fall down again. All right, so we're going to keep an eye out for that. All right, but Schlumberger, better this morning. I won't go into that too much. I'll show you Halliburton. There's another one for you. Another with the shooter down. Okay, and then fighting back in 2002. That's the inside wake. We're looking for a 2-1-2 reversal coming back up there at 2036 if Halliburton can get them moving this morning. All right, what else is moving this morning? The metals are moving this morning. GDX coming back up like a beast. 51.75, taking the day out. There you go. To expando the El Euro on the month though. All right, so 53.25 is that's our spot. Okay, you're gonna get a new month in here, and that's gonna be a 2-1-2. Okay, so can it get the gusto to get that moving here? They are better this morning. That is for damn sure. Okay, so GDX is on the move with the day upper. All right, and then you got gold. You got gold on the move here, big time. $309.58 on the gold. That's 315. Taking it we're looking at triangle out this month. We're going to come right inside here now. All right, where are we at here? 309.54. Our new month's going to come right in here, guys. All right, and then we're hunting for 315.76. That might be a bit of a grab, but we'll see if they can continue to hold up. Gold better this morning. Okay, Newmont. Newmont on the move here this morning with the 2-1 week, looking for the reversal on the 2-1-2 back up on your Newmont. You got month is in pretty good spot, right? It's an insider like all the rest of them. There is a ton of them. You're going to be coming right in here, 53.85. All right, so not quite. Going to be stuck in here, right in this area here, looking to take that out and then going for our next magnitude, going back up on the monthly. All right, Newmont better this morning. All right, I won't give you too many of them here. CDE, Coeur d'Alene, one of the cheap guys, 828, 829, taking day up. Got expansion coming there. All right, we already got the 2-2 up on the week. It looks like our number is 846 to triangle out last week. We're going to be coming right inside here, okay? We're going to be coming in right there. So that is our target, all right? 846 is the number we're looking for. All right, if you get there, I don't know what kind of room we got after that. All right, BTG, at least we got somewhere to go. Listen, if you're getting in a stock, please, you know, it's like when you go on a trip, you know, you look at the map and you figure out where you're going. You know what I mean? Before you even start to think about leaving, you got to think about how you're going to get there. That's what's important. All right, so BTG better this morning, 344, taking day up, 344. All right, not much room there. These things have been really, really strong. They stalled out, and here they are, coming back again on a Monday here all of a sudden. All right, so that's some of our metals there. Silver's in there as well. Silver, a little better, 30.64, closed at 30, up 60 cents this morning. Get on the move with your steels. With your silver. All right, got the 2-1, 30.32. You're going to take the 2-1-2, and you're going to get to 30.53. We're triangling it all out. All right, so this is our next target. Here is 31.80 if silver wants that. I keep saying steel for some reason. Silver, all right, silver on the move here this morning with your metals, okay? What else is moving this morning? Well, we talked about energy. We know energy is a little bit stronger today, all right? What else do we know? We know that the metals are strong, and here comes the steels, all right? So U.S. Steel, huge move here. Got up to 55 on the overnights. Come back all the way back into 53.50. All right. Closed at 54.03. So that is actually creeping back inside the day after a move up to 55. Okay, so I don't know, I got a little bit exuberant. It's this overnight business. It's not going away. There's no volatility, you know, there's no liquidity. It's easy for these guys to push this stuff around. That's why if you're going to trade the overnights, just got to be very careful. I mean, it's difficult to put an order in, and it's hard to get a fill. All right, so I would sit tight. But steel, better this morning. All right, STLD. There's 4 of them that I'm going to go through with you right now. All right, 143.89. They spiked up. All right, now they all have kind of cooled back down. So there is your yesterday's highs. Friday's highs were 124.88. We are trading at 136. All right, we're coming all the way back up in here, triangling out at 136.48. And that's our closest number right now, okay? And then I'm looking farther on down the trough, and I'm seeing here, all right, we're already through this, 145.97. This is our next move to the upside. We're going to expand this morning here to 136. We're still going to be inside this month, but you're going to get that new month right inside. We look for that month to take that month out. And then our next stop would be 139.68. We're trading at 136 and change. All right, so we'll see what happens there with STLD. Cleveland Cliffs. Cliff, hey, Cliff. All right, Cliff. Cliff, little guy, 586 for the highs on Friday. Had a kind of nice move coming up there. All right, 737 today. So do we take out the 2-day? Yes. Do we take out the 3-day? Yes. Do we take out the 4-day? Yes. All right. 714. If we're triangling out, it's 769. This is on a daily. There's your new month coming inside. All right. The month had a lot of business captured inside there on that cliff. All right. So $7.36. There you're going to be when you come in on your new month. You're going to be green inside. No actionable signals to talk about there. And that just is what it is. There's no ones in there. There's no shooters. There's no hammers. All right. Steel. Which one did I miss? Nucor, NUE. I put out some stuff on Twitter this morning. Please check it out. I put up some upgrades and some downgrades. Nucor was upgraded this morning with a move to the upside. So giddy up. 121.75. Friday's highs 109 and change, 109.54. We're trying to everything out here, folks. 121. I'm going to have to go here. So here's our month right now, and we're going to be opening somewhere in this number of 121 bucks. Boom, there we are right there. Triangling out would be 124.18, and then we see if they want to continue to start taking month up. The next magnitude is going to be pretty unreachable for a while, but we'll see. We'll see if they can narrow that up. Again, where are we going? Doesn't matter where the hell we are. It's a question of where the hell we're going. All right, so we'll see if steels can keep it up for today. All right, I don't know if I went through the energies. Chevron higher up this morning. There you go, Chevron on the move, 138.21. That is taking day up. And you got this shooter down on the day with the new month coming in. 143.74 is the triangle out. So we're going to be coming right in here, 138 and change. Right in here is where we're going to, your new month is going to pop in right here. Okay, you're going to be inside. Okay, you're going to be 1-1. There's going to be a ton of 1-1s. I'll be going through them as the day goes, and then I will report back to you around halftime. All right, Palantir is up a little bit this morning. Tech is soft, and that's just the way it is. I mean, almost every sector is kind of financials, and the diamonds are a little bit better. But we'll see what group kind of comes out of that. I got a couple of thoughts on that, too. Palantir, what a day it had on Friday, okay? 131.94. So she's only about a buck lower coming back inside with the new month coming in here. A little Sneaky Pete going to get in there, right there. All right, Sneaky Pete will get inside there, and it will be a 1 more than likely. All right, Palantir. We're not chasing Palantir. We're not going after anything like that. Tech is a little soft this morning. We'll see if they can turn it around and start rallying again. With the new month coming in, futures are all going to be inside with the new month, so we're going to sit tight and see how things are going to shake out. All right, and it's only a Monday. What do we got this week? I mean, we got unemployment this week and Friday. We got U.S. trade deficits today, factory orders tomorrow. So a lot of Fed guys going to be talking. And then June has to make it. In June, whatever that is, that Wednesday in June when we will decide on interest rates if anything changes there. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. All right, a couple of groups that I think might show up here and impress here today. I'm watching the staples, so we'll see if we can get these to continue up to 83.20 on Friday, but she brought it back in. We got the new month coming right inside here. All right, so we'll see. Kind of watching Coca-Cola and two of the ones that I just picked out was Colgate and Coke. Coke's got the inside month trying to take out that 72.68 on that high. We'll look for that 2-2 reversal. back up, continuation, get back up to $74 and change. I think the staples are kind of good because I think the market's a little sticky, and I think that that they're defensive. All right, so keep an eye on those. All right, and then one other group that I think is better here, following energy, is the utilities. You know, the energies go up, the utilities follow, and 81.96 inside here, 81.96. We're close to taking day up on XLU. You got the inside week, so we're looking for that 212 back up. And then as that would be our next target at 83.06 for the triangle out. Okay, so that's kind of where we're at here this morning. All right, pretty good flavor of what's happening here, and see if those drillers can get going, and see if energy can keep it alive for a while here. We'll see. Again, tech is soft. Don't be chasing anything. I wouldn't chase them down. I wouldn't chase them out. Wouldn't do nothing with them. The 10 years are sitting at 443, just a little bit higher here. And crude is higher this morning, and gold is higher. All the metals are screaming back to the upside here now. GDX going back up to the yearly high. So we got metals on the move. That's the first thing we talked about. All right, so I'm going to leave it there, and check out my what I put out on Twitter. It's got the same name, same handle as I have here on your YouTube. All right, so everybody have a wonderful day. I'll see you at lunchtime, and be good.